Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, August 31st. Happy Monday. So high school band kids, you had a surprise remote day today. Junior high kids, if you're watching this, you don't. But high school kids, I just wanted to walk you through what's coming up for today. If you go out to classroom.google.com, scroll out to classwork, which is where we've been doing our basic skills at. You see I've created a new topic called 2020-2021 Remote Learning. That's where I'm going to post things for right now if we have remote days and stuff like that. All right, so you see that there's one assignment, and that's a check-in, and that's really what this is. It's not a test, it's not a quiz. I am not checking to see what you know musically. This is really just a check-in. And if you view the assignment, click on instructions, it'll tell you what to do. I just want to touch base with everyone to check in. Please share with me your needs or concerns for today, along with anything I can help you with. So these are things that you need for today, not for like tomorrow or next week or anything. If there's something I can help you with today, please let me know. You can do this in two ways. You can attend an optional Google Meet at 1 o'clock to 1:15 or 3 o'clock to 3:15, which will take the place of this form here. Attendance there is how I'll be taking that, as how that would take your place. And the info is right here. There's a link you can click and it'll open up to the Google Meet, or you can dial in via cell phone. Jocelyn had some pretty good luck with that a couple weeks ago. So anyway, it does work. Or if you don't want to attend one of the Google Meets or these times don't work for you, then you can fill out the Google form, which is right here. And I also attached the meeting information and image form in case you want to go out and look at that image. I don't know if you're doing this on your phone. Beats me. Anyway, so what you do, you click on that assignment, and it automatically collects your email address, and it says right there. Now, you do have to be signed into your student Google. So your first name dot last name at student.union11.org. Sign into that account before you get into Google Classroom. Then fill out the questions. So share with me your needs or concerns for today, along with anything I can help you with. I need some music to play on my saxophone. And if you're not concerned about anything, like if you are emotionally fine, then go ahead and share something that makes you happy or something that's exciting for you today. Like, I love the cooler weather we are having. And I'm happy to be sitting across the window from Mr. Schaefer. He laughed at me, which means I told a good joke. All right, and then the last question is there anything else I should know? You could say nope, or if there is something else you should know, like I'm struggling emotionally today, or my sister stole my potato. I don't know. If there's anything else that I need to know, just go ahead and fill it out in there. Click submit, and then go out to the assignment and click turn in or mark as done so that I know you've done it. Okay? That's all I got. If there is anything I can do for you today, I will be checking this form as well as meeting up with you guys via Google Meets. And that is it. Take care and have a great Monday.